Infinix Hot 11s expected to be launched on September 30, 2021. This is 4GB RAM 64GB internal storage variant of Infinix, which is available in various colors. Expected price of Infinix in use is $186. Infinix is launching its new Hot 11 seconds on the market soon. The Chinese company Infinix is working on a new smartphone of its Hot series, and it will be launched in mid-September this year. The coming smartphone will be the direct successor of Hot 10s. The upcoming device will be called Infinix Hot 11s. The chipset that is going to power the upcoming smartphone will be Helio G88. This is a powerful chipset that handsomely handles all the specs of mid-range smartphones. To give more power to this Infinix's Hot 11s, there is an Octa-Core processor installed under the hood of this handset. Also, the device has got a GPU of Mali-G52. The smartphone got the Capacitive IPS LCD Touchscreen display, which is exclusively made for the devices of this brand. Infinix Hot 11s is going to have a Full HD display with a resolution of 1080 x 2460 pixels. Also, there is a big screen of 6.8 inches. The SoC of the handset is paired with 6GB of RAM. The chipset and the RAM of the Hot 11s by Infinix will make the processing speed of the phone lightning fast. The internal storage capacity of the device is 64GB. This is enough storage capacity that will give you enough space to place a huge amount of data for future use. The smartphone Infinix 11s has got a triple camera setup on the rear. The main camera will be 50 megapixels main camera and 2 megapixels lens. On the front facing, there is an 8 megapixels selfie camera setup. The security of this Infinix Hot 11s: to protect your data, it has a rear-mounted, optical fingerprint scanner. The phone is fueled with a powerful battery of 6000 mAh capacity. It means you can use the smartphone Infinix Hot 11s for a long period of time. And also there is an 18W of fast battery charging. This coming up new Hot 11s will be a competitor of Samsung, as the specs look quite impressive.